Now that you've completed the trial for Business Central, we're excited to offer you 3 exclusive Catalyst packages tailored to meet the diverse needs of your business. Each package is designed to empower your organization with the tools and capabilities essential for success. Let's explore your options. The Finance package. This is perfect for those prioritizing finance and reporting capabilities. The Finance package includes sales quotes, invoices, and purchase orders, banks, bank feeds, reporting, Microsoft Office and Excel and Teams integrations. It also includes monthly system reviews, as well as comprehensive general ledger, accounts receivable, and accounts payable management. The next package is the Finance Plus Warehouse package. This is ideal for businesses requiring more than finance and reporting. This package includes everything in the finance package, plus price lists and discounts, inventory management, goods received, not invoiced reporting, as well as a seamless integration with Shopify or other commerce plans. The third package, the Finance Plus Assembly package, is for businesses with enhanced functionality needs. The Finance Plus Assembly package includes everything in the finance and warehouse package, plus assembly kits, assembly orders. Each of the Catalyst packages are crafted to elevate your Business Central experience and cater to your specific business requirements. To further support your journey, we offer comprehensive training resources, including videos and live consultants, monthly system reviews, which I mentioned above, and robust financial and month-end reporting. Take the next step in transforming your business with our exclusive Catalyst packages. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or would like more information. And thank you for choosing JourneyTEAM.